Today I'll be showing you how to do a quick ponytail. You don't have enough time to do your hair in time enough. So here we go. So I'll be using the Eco Style gel with argan oil. So now I'm just putting gel mostly in the front part of my hair to make sure it lays down really well. And that's what I'm doing now. And make sure you use a really hard brush, especially if you have full thick hair. It's important to use a brush to make sure the product is fully in the front part of your hair with a ponytail. So now you'll just continue to brush your hair down. Make sure it's really flat. You brush it down to your liking. Once you brush it back, you just pull it out back and use a ponytail holder. I like to use the elastic band kind. It doesn't break your hair, so I would suggest you use that kind. And just continue to smooth everything back and brush your hair back. So now we're gonna do the most important part. Slay those edges. Slay them to your liking. However you like to do your baby hairs, your edges, is up to you. Let's make sure that they're laying down and looking fabulous. Now I just usually like to pull out a little hair on the sides by my ears, and that will complete this quick 2-minute ponytail. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, or a thumbs down is fine too. Make sure you subscribe, and always remember to keep that glow, guys. Bye for now. Mwah.